Simpol, luto na, ha-ha.
Sawa na ba kayo sa ordinaryong sinangag? Tara, i-level up natin. Simulan natin mag-scramble ng eggs. Ang sekreto ko dito, nilalagyan ko siya ng konting tubig para maging fluffy ang ating scrambled eggs para sa ating fried rice. Mag-init tayo ng oil. So, in a hot pan, lalagay natin, isa-scramble natin yung eggs. Constantly mixing. No? Then, tatabi natin siya, no? So, we don't overcook our eggs. Tatabi natin siya, no? Yan. Little bit of oil. Then, we put our onions. And garlic, no? Then, we add our minced carrots. Yan. Para magandang kulay. So, very finely minced yung carrots natin. Dried labahita, no? Ang dried labahita, sinoke natin siya overnight or ilang oras para mawala yung sobrang alat niya. After, tinanggal natin yung mga tinik niya at chinap-chop, no? So, sasaute natin siya. Then, lalagyan din natin siya ng konting-konting grated ginger para ma-highlight ang ating seafood flavor. Chopped shrimp natin. Konting chopped shrimp. Before we add our rice. So, meron tayong kaning lamig dito. Yan. When we are making fried rice, we scoop from underneath, no? Yan. Then, i-press lang natin ng konti. Huwag nating tadtarin yung rice natin para hindi siya maging broken. Maganda yung grains natin. No? So, you be gentle when you're cooking your fried rice. So, we're using light soy sauce. No? Just a little. Hindi siya masyadong dark ang color. Ganda pa rin siya. Just add a little sugar. Then we add our scrambled eggs. No? You can mash it into the rice. Tignan mo, it's very nice and fluffy. And it distributes very easily. We add a little bit of chopped lettuce. No? So it gives a very nice nutty flavor. No? And freshness as well. Konting black pepper sa end. Lastly, we put some sesame oil. Salted fish fried rice, simple!